Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone with your Toyota RAV4 using Bluetooth. Okay, so first, in our car we need to open up the settings. It's the last icon right in here. And now find My Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Now click on Add another device. In here we have an instruction how to connect. Now I'll grab my phone just to show you. So now in my device I need to open up the settings. In here find the Bluetooth, make sure it's enabled, and now we need to click on the car multimedia. Now let's wait and make sure that those codes are the same. Now click on OK, and in here click on pair. You can click on allow. Now we have the pairing request, but we don't want to enable the CarPlay, so click on no. In here click on done, and now you can see that our iPhone has been successfully connected with our car. You can see that it says it's connected. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.